Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can create the raw hem with any pair of jeans that you own. I am only 5'1", 5'2" on a good day, and so every pair of jeans that I purchase has to either be cut or hemmed, and I prefer the look of the raw hem, and so today I'm going to show you how you can achieve that. All you are going to need is a pair of fabric scissors. Regular scissors work fine, but these are just sharper, and a measuring tape. So I recommend putting them on, obviously, and making the cut right kind of at the top of your ankle bone. So I would just gonna come over here and make the slit where it is, and then I will remove them and do it on the other side as well. So I'm just going to take the measuring tape and measure how long the length from the cut was to the bottom of the hem, and it's about 2.5 inches. So I'm going to use that to remember for the next side. So then I'll come over to this other leg and measure 2.5 inches and make the cut. And then I just literally cut straight across. And on this side as well. A few options to make it a little more raw looking. You can go through and kind of just pull at the threads in the bottom of the jeans. It's going to take you a little bit of time. Or you kind of just let them wear naturally, which is really what I do most of the time, just through the process of washing them and just natural wear, they start to fray.